Every human being wants a life of dignity, alive or dead. The post-mortem dissection during the autopsy of the deceased body is an unpleasant experience for the deceased relatives. AIMS, New Delhi, in collaboration with ICMR, had started the Center for Advanced Research and Excellence in Virtual Autopsy, which played a very vital role in the inception of India's first dedicated virtual autopsy center. Here we follow a structured approach using case selection criteria for the implementation of the concept. It gives relief to mental trauma of deceased relatives and also give dignity to the departing soul.